You do not need to remove anything other than the wheels to install the studs. We are installing new rotors and wanted to give everything a good cleaning. The one thing you need to do is make sure there is no corrosion or rust in the stud seating area of the flange indicated by the red arrow. You can inspect this area with the rotor in place as well, red arrow. The stud has a 15mm threaded area that seats in the flange indicated by the red arrow. There is an 8mm of unthreaded shoulder for the brake rotor, blue arrow, and then a 35mm, 45mm, or 60mm of threaded stud from the shoulder depending on the kit you order. If desired, you may apply Loctite 272 to the threads prior to installing the studs in the hub, and only the section that goes into the hub. Any lesser Loctite will melt and can act as a lubricant and can cause the loss of torque. Thread the short end of the stud into the hub and tighten by hand as far as possible. Then using a torque wrench and your 5mm Allen, tighten it to 30 foot-pounds. An added benefit is the use of studs will eliminate the need for a wheel hanger. The studs do not need to be removed to remove the rotor or service the parking brake. The nuts are available in ball R14 for Porsche OEM wheels in both black and titanium finish. You can also get conical nuts in silver only for aftermarket wheels. Please confirm the type of wheel you have before ordering or installing. It is extremely important that the correct seat nuts are used with your wheels. If there is any doubt, contact the wheel manufacturer to determine which seats your wheel have. Lug studs should be torqued to 30 foot-pounds. Nuts should be torqued to 96 foot-pounds at all times. Retorque the wheels after 50 miles to ensure setting. If lug nuts or lug studs are improperly torqued, there will be a cyclical loading on the stud, which will cause fatigue and potential failure. Never torque the studs while hot. Wheel studs used in competition are considered wear items and should be replaced on the following intervals. Street or DE cars with less than 10 events a year, replace every 2 years. Race cars or DE cars with over 10 events a year, replace every year. Pro-level racing, twice a year. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.